Hi everyone, welcome to my video tutorial on how to create a new Java project, package, and Java class. This video is intended for my APCS 101 students as a reference. Now to start off, to create a new package or Java project, just click on the upper left corner of your Eclipse IDE. Okay, and then you will see the first option, which is Java project. Just simply click on it, and you now see the new Java project dialog box. Now in the first box, which is project name box, we simply type the project name. So I would like to name my project as assignment. Now by convention, project starts with a capital letter. Now the name of my project is assignments, then, or I'm sorry, I cannot do that because as you can see on the left side of my IDE, it already exists. So let me rename it to assignment. Now after naming your project, just click on finish. Okay, so as you can see on the Project Explorer, assignment project is now created. Now, just in case you don't see your Project Explorer displayed, go to Window menu and choose Show View, and somewhere in the middle you will see Package Explorers or Project Explorer. Just click on it to display your Project Explorer on the left side of your IDE. Okay, now while your assignment project is selected, now go to the toolbar of your IDE. So this brownish square over here is what we call new Java package icon. Now package is like a folder. Now folder is used to organize our files, our Java programs, and by convention a package starts with a small letter. So click on it and simply type assign as my package name. You can have your own name if you want to. Okay, and then after typing the package name, just click on finish. Okay, obviously the package over here, which is called assign, is created. Now while it is selected, we are now ready to create a new class in that package. Now right beside the new Java package icon, on its right you will see another icon called new Java class. So just click on it, and in the name box simply type the class name. Now by convention, again, a class or a Java class starts with a capital letter. It should not start with a number, and it shouldn't have spaces in between. Okay, so to make it simple, let me just call my class as assign1. And for you not to type the main method declaration, simply check the box for this main method over here. Okay, just simply check or click on it. Then we are done creating our very first class in assign package inside assignment project. Okay, that's how we create a class, as simple as that. Thank you so much. I hope this helps you a lot. See you next time.